guys, it's Danger here. We're gonna do the unveiling on the old shake and bake hydrogen peroxide with the sand. This is maybe the 5th time I've shaken it since I put it in, maybe 26 hours ago. Just gonna give it one more shake. Then we got our screen bucket here. And I'm gonna put it through 2 different ones because I think I got some smaller things in there that I don't want to lose. In the event that I do, I got some rocks that I want to put under the treatment here. So I'm gonna reuse that solution. So here we go. Let's see how we did. Separate some of that sand. Then all of our solutions out of there so we can just rinse these off. So there's the unveiling. We can still see a little bit that are in the dimples, but those lichens, they don't like the hydrogen peroxide. Watch how easy that scrubs out. It's gone. Gone. I'm barely putting any pressure on there. No water. If you do this underwater, you're going to get better results. But that's the bonus you get with the shake and bake technique. It loosens all of that organic material up. That one had a lot of lichens on it. I only see a little bit left in that hole there. And I'll give these another rinse with water, but look, gone. Some of these agates that were real porous, even some of those little dimples got cleaned out. But all in all, pretty good run, pretty good results for this batch. That one had a lot of dimples. There's another little section where we had some lichens. Just gonna do some light scrubbing. Easy, gone. So that's the technique, guys. And we got our solution reused here, recycling it. So yeah, keep rocking, fellas and ladies.